How to change location in TikTok. So if you want to change location in TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and now go to the upper right corner, which has a 3-bar icon, and then head over to settings and privacy. And now before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here scroll down, and under content and display you can choose language. So for now you don't have an option to change location in TikTok, but if you want to change the region, then you can simply choose the language and then you can change your app language, or you can also tap on preferred languages and then you can choose your language, your TikTok language, so that you will get the videos of that region. And that's it. We don't have that option of change location. This is for now, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.